Hi lovelies, hope you're all doing amazing. My name is Forbeth and welcome to my life. Today we are making this delicious chinchin and let's get into it. One cup of milk at room temperature. I'll use a half cup of sugar. Yes, then I'll use 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then I'll use 1 egg, which is at room temperature. So I'll whisk and make sure everything is well combined. Actually, I didn't mix the sugar with the dry ingredients because I wanted my sugar to dissolve so fast. So these are my 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Make sure you measure it well. I'll also use baking soda. I'll use 1 teaspoon. Then use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm going to make sure all my dry ingredients are well combined. So after that I'm going to get my hot butter. Yes, I made my butter so hot, so I'm going to put it, but I'm not going to use my hands immediately. I'll use my wooden stick so I don't burn myself. At this time it should have calmed down. Yeah, this is it. I'll also make sure my butter is well mixed. So now I'm going to add my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients, then knead with my hands until it's ready. Actually, this will be very hard. This is very hard, so the way I like it. And guys, also I made this chinchin video before, so you can go and check it out. The only difference is that in this video I'm using baking soda and baking powder, and in the previous video I used only baking powder. Okay, you can go and check it out, then choose which one you want to go with. Okay, now I'm done with kneading. As you can see, my dough is very hard and you can see how it breaks. It is not like slimy, it is just very hard. Once I'm done, I'm going to leave it to rest for 1 hour. Okay, so I've put some oil, so I'll cover it with a nylon. I always use my shopping bag. So now it's done. It's been 1 hour and my dough is looking amazing. Look at that. Actually, it is still hard. As you can see, it is not even sticky, so it's just the way I like it. So I'm going to start cutting, but before that I have to make sure my oil is ready. And guys, I want to show you I'll show you something after my oil is ready, and after I've cut, I'll show you something in a minute. So this is I'm going to cut out my chinchin. Don't worry about my sizes, I'm not that perfect so don't worry. So I'll cut everything. My surface is very small anyways. I'll put some. Yeah, this is how I struggle. Anyways, let me put some backwards, then I can get space. So as you can see, my dough is not giving me any stress. I'm just cutting it and putting it away. I don't like, to put powder everywhere to make everything messy. So this is it. It's not sticky, it's just perfect. So I want to show you guys this. Look at this. My oil is very hot. This is where most people make a mistake. When your oil is too hot, the outer part will be so brown, okay, and the inside will take time to cook. By the time the inside is cooked, the outside will be already burnt, which will make your chinchin taste burnt, and we don't want that. Okay, don't make this mistake. If you've done it, don't do it again. It's because your oil is too hot, and it shouldn't be too hot. Okay. And guys, look at this. My oil is very calm and the temperature is low, and you can see it is not too fizzy. You can see it's not too fizzy, like very hot. So just wait, watch and see. Okay, I'm doing all this for you guys. Make sure you subscribe, please. So you can see it is on medium heat, and immediately it's already split very beautifully. But whenever you're mixing this, you're turning this, please make sure you do it gently. Okay, you have to be gentle so that all these splits will not break into pieces. It will not lead to breaking into pieces. Okay, we don't want tiny pieces. So just take your time and you will love the process. Okay, gently cook this. If you want, you can, if you want it soft, too soft, like actually if you remove it at this point, it will be like puff or a mandazi. It will be like half cake. But if you want chinchin, the crunchy chinchin, you still have to cook it more to make it a little bit brown, just like this. Okay, this is perfect. So once this is done, leave your oil to drain. Yeah, I'm going to leave it, put it on the sieve to drain. And after this, I'm going to set my oil aside first. I'll off my heat and set my oil aside first to calm down. Once it has calmed down, I'll show you the whole process when on my third. I'm sure I'm going to do it 3 times, so I'll show you on my third round. Okay, this is it. You can see it is gently fizzing, not like roughly fizzing. Okay, so gently turn it, because at this point it's very fragile. And now it's almost done. That's my second round. On my third round, I'm going to take you through the waiting process. Okay, so guys, please subscribe. You see, I put it aside. I just put 1 chinchin to test my oil, then adjust my heat, then I'll put it back, and immediately as you can see, the 1 chinchin I put is almost ready, so I'll put the rest. And you can see how gently it's fizzing, not, you can see how perfectly this is turning out. Guys, if you like this, make sure you tell me how. If you try this, make sure you tell me how it turned out. I just can't wait to hear the results. I know you will love it, you will enjoy it. And if you're doing this for business, you have to be very patient, and you have to cut maybe like a little bit more tiny bits, not big. Okay, I cut anyhow because it's only me who is going to use it with eat it with my family. Okay, I didn't care about the size. So this is how beautiful it turned. So guys, and another quick tip before I show you my chinchin, my oil is not that dirty. So I'm going to show you how to clean your oil in case it's too dirty. Just get some cornstarch, mix it with water, then put it in your hot oil. Remember, the oil is still cooking, your stove is still on. Then put the cornstarch in, and it will help you to clean your oil. You will not waste your oil. Some people that use flour for their chinchin not to stick, they tend to have their oil too dirty, like too with a lot of flour crumbs. So this is the best way you can clean your oil without wasting it that much. I'm trying to remove the rest of the cornstarch, and by the time you know it, my oil will be clean and clear. Okay, do that. If you try it, make sure you leave a comment. Okay, so let's go to our beautiful Chinchin. Da da da. So guys, press your orders, please. Please don't forget to bless your girl, please. I'll appreciate it. It is a huge blessing to see people subscribing. Please, I beg you, I'm on my knees. Hit that subscription button. It doesn't take too much time, and I will appreciate. I love you all. Thank you, and God bless you a lot.